Hey everybody, it's Chad. I'm gonna show everybody it's snowing again. Whew, I can't believe it. It's supposed to get rain, but as you can see, no rain here, just snow. Probably gonna be slicker than greased down poop. Burr. A little chilly out here. Road's getting a little white. Oh, there's Skitsy Poo. Hello, Skits. Are you cold? Hey, are you cold? Are you? Well, put me on another coat. Golly. I don't think you can see how much it's snowing. I hope everybody's doing good. We're doing pretty good. I think Mama, she come down here to the sawmill. Look at that. Crazy. It is flat putting the snow down right now. Phew. Probably gonna fall here in a minute. I can feel it. Let's see if I can get Mama to say something. Where'd you go? I'm making a video. You gotta speak. It's your turn. Everybody's wanting to know how you are. Lucy. Golly, it's cold. I think it's just cold out here. Goodness gracious. Oh, Skip decided to come back. Where's Ravioli's tied up? He's in the pen.
Yeah. I figured he was up.
Whew. Lord have mercy. Where'd Skits go?
Boy, it's pretty over. He's wanting to saw.
Oh, where's he at? Oh, I bet he go. Skits. I don't know where he went. Huh. Burr. I didn't think it was this cold out here. I didn't put on enough clothes.
Oh, didn't you put on no coat?
No. See, there's Mama.
Yeah, here I am. Hey, everybody.
You gotta tell everybody. Everybody's been asking.
My little owl's back. I don't know if that's the same one or not. My little screech owl. Because I peeped in there the other day and he was sitting in the corner, and then I come down here about dark and he stuck his head out, and then he went back. And then about dark he come in and he sat in his little doorway. He's cute.
There's Skits.
Yeah, it's pretty.
Hope she can get out up there from cutting hair. She's up there cutting Zoe's hair. I don't know. I hope she can get
That's
out.
what I thought.
Hope
Why didn't
she
you
get
put you on a coat?
Well, I wasn't planning on coming down here, but it just happened.
Well, if that debarker was moved, then y'all could sled down that road there, but I'd be afraid for him to net there.
Yeah, that would be an abrupt stop and probably a few stitches in her coconut. I don't know if anybody needs a debarker. We'll sell it to you cheap if you come and get it.
Problem is getting it.
Yeah, you might have to cut it in half.
I thought I might see a deer or a fox or something.
Hey, Skits. Yeah, he's gonna bring that wood sometime next week. That's pretty though. I thought it was supposed to rain. I didn't think it was supposed to snow. Oh. Uh-oh. Skits is fouled up.
What's the matter with it?
Skits he is hung up. What happened? Come here. Are you stuck?
Oh, I don't bars.
Good thing we was down here to help you. You'd have drug that plumb to the house. I hear ravioli up there.
I wish it was loose. Now then, how's that? That better. Now I'm hung up. It's so hot.
And cold.
I'm toasty. I've got this big coat on, my coveralls.
I should put me another coat on, but I wasn't thinking.
Reckon it's gonna snow like this all night?
I hope so.
Listen, bless his heart.
Ravioli's wanting to come play.
Yeah.
We had some company come by, so we have to put him up because he gets a little rambunctious.
I'll have to go get him out while I'll come back down here. I'd like to come back